So we got a braid down. We have a braid down. I'm about to do my own quick weave. These are my bundles from Wiggins hair. So I have 4 bundles. This is the loose deep wave. I have 26 inches. So we're gonna be long and I'm gonna straighten this. So I'm just gonna use 3. Like I said, I dyed it black because my hair is now black. And I guess we're gonna get started. Instead of like trying to guess where my wig cap should stop, I'm gonna put it on and not cut the edges. I think that's the easiest thing to not do. And then sometimes I find it's just a little uncomfortable when you do cut the edges. So I'm just gonna tuck the extra piece of fabric in like that. This is called a make sure this hair isn't in the way. Colored pencil. The colored pencil won't. I guess it works good enough. I just need to make sure that I gluing my hair. Cause we don't want no glue, honey. It's pretty stiff, so it's pretty dry. It's actually been like 45 minutes, so. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Am I ready? Okay, so this is 1 bundle down. 1 bundle down. 2 more to go maybe, because it's a little full already. Yeah. This is bundle number 2. So maybe I will use all 3 bundles. I think I put too many bundles. Okay, because how do I have 2 bundles in and I'm not like towards the top yet? I definitely think I spaced them towards the bottom too close together. This is what we're looking like. It's pretty full. So I'm going to space them a little further apart as I get to the top because I don't want this install to be heavy. So, yeah, I'm on my last bundle. Actually, not even my last bundle. I have a strip of this from the second bundle, but it's not long enough to go like from one temple to the next. So I'm going to save this piece closer to the top. So technically, it's 2, but not really. And then this is the 3rd one. I don't want to use all 4, so we're just using 3. I'm done laying all the tracks. Felt like that took forever, which is probably why I don't do this myself. So hopefully I covered everything that I want to cover. Now we're about to cut the excess. The real hair. Okay, leave out. Ooh, this kind of scary. This is a lot of hair. Yeah. What am I about to do? Am I gonna wear it in its natural state or wet? Or wet? I have a lot to leave out this time. Yeah. This is almost the natural texture of the hair. It is a loose, deep wave, but, and it's also in 26 inches, so it's so long. It's very long, but that's what I wanted. So I'm actually gonna try out this Remington heated smoothing brush. It goes up to 450 degrees. So I'm hoping that it'll straighten the hair. So I'm guessing 3 is 450 degrees. It's getting more. Brush through our hair. Okay, now it's all lit up. I straightened this side. This is what this side looks like. And then this is the natural texture. So this is good if you need like something quick to like straighten your hair out with, but it's not gonna get your hair bone straight. Okay, so this concludes this video. All I did was straighten it, love it straight. The hair is very full, the hair is very dense. I only used 3 bundles. I couldn't imagine putting 4 in my hair, okay? Um, but yeah, love how it turned out. And I'll be sure to list all of Wiggins' hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the extension that I have in. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.